Let me tell you something. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they treat whatever matters like it can wait. They move slow, they get comfortable, and they talk about their goals like goals will put in the work. You know, the Bible tells us in Galatians 3 verse 23, whatever you do, work with all your heart as working for the Lord and not for men. Real change doesn't come from talk, it comes from focus, and it comes from action. And no excuses. From showing up every single day like it truly matters. Because casual efforts get casual results. But obsessive efforts bends reality to your will to achieve something. In my own life, I can tell you every time I get comfortable, I stay stuck. But when I move with focus, when I want it all, doors open, and I can tell you, things happen that I've never imagined. That's what happens when your work matches your prayers and whatever you put in. So if it matters to you today, stop waiting and start moving like you want a breakthrough from it. And pray about it, because it does. Go all in or don't go all in. It's all up to you. Guys, have a wonderful Sunday. Have a blessed week. And I'll catch up again with you guys tomorrow.